Being an introvert in a world which is designed for extroverts used to feel like I was running in a race where all of my competitors got a 5-second head start. Almost impossible to keep up, let alone stand out, let alone win. But what if I told you that I was actually wrong? What if I told you there's a way that you can make 5 to 10K a month online without having to change who you are? No need to be a salesman running a full calendar of calls, always chatting with prospects, no pressure to be super outgoing or to drain your social battery, no need to talk to anyone that you don't want to talk to. My name is Sam Harborne. I went from being a young man with clinical depression and chronic anxiety, who even dropped out of college, to making over $10,000 a month from my mom's house. And all I needed was my PC, the same one that I used to use to just play video games. It can feel almost impossible to find an income stream which actually fits us introverts, with so many different paths you can take, needing constant socialization and collaboration. I used to think that I was just fucked and I just drew the short end of the stick, but I was wrong, because there's thousands of introverts like you and me who have found their hustle online, needing only minimal social interaction. They've gained total time, location, and financial freedom. They can take their laptop anywhere in the world, and as long as they have Wi-Fi, they know they can start printing cash. No endless networking, no huge startup costs, just a real path to freedom. I'll stop edging you now. The hustle that I'm talking about is video editing, and no one talks about video editing. It blows my fucking mind, because video editing is one of the most rapidly growing, in-demand skills you could possibly have in today's attention economy. And I'm very anxious to call it a hustle, because quite frankly, one of the best things about video editing is the time freedom and the flexibility that it gives you. You can hold down a full-time job and then do some video editing every evening for 1 or 2 hours, and on top of your full-time pay slip, get an extra 2 to 3K a month in your bank account. Or you can turn it into a full-blown business, much like how I did, and make upwards of $12,000 to $15,000 a month. I am a simple man. I like to create dope shit, and I like to get paid handsomely. And video editing is my canvas. It gave me the autonomy and the freedom to allow me to express myself creatively, while also proving to be insanely valuable to some of the biggest personal branding names and high performers inside of today's attention economy. It's time from a guy who, from 16 to 22 years old, genuinely did not leave his house because he would have panic attacks. Nights where I would literally cry myself to sleep. I would not even be able to look at myself in the mirror without crying. Playing video games 14 hours a day, completely neglecting my physical, mental, and spiritual health. Dropping out of college after having a mental breakdown, to where I am now as a 25-year-old man, living in some of the most beautiful places in the entire world, running a successful business. I have the respect and admiration of my family. I have an incredible network of friends, and between me and you, I do pretty well with the ladies nowadays, which is nice. I've had one of the most incredible self-improvement transformations you could probably find on the internet. And the best part is, it is all publicly documented. You can go back onto my YouTube channel and you can see me being a fucking dumbass a few years ago if you want to, or on my Instagram. It's all there for you to look at. And a lot of people ask me, Sam, how do you have such an incredible self-improvement transformation? And that's because I haven't used self-improvement as my vehicle to my transformation. Self-improvement has been a tool for it, and my vehicle has been my pursuit of excellence in video editing. You can meditate for as long as you want. You can say nice words to yourself in the mirror all day. You can read books, but if you do not have a pursuit of excellence where you're genuinely providing value to the types of people that you want to become, you want to network with, it will all go to waste. Those things are all foundational. They're good to have, but without them, you end up nothing. You end up a gym cell. See plenty of gym cells, guys who are in the gym and they're very obsessive over their self-improvement, but they're just not very magnetic. Video editing for me is perfect because in my soul, I am a creative person. But not only that, I also don't like talking to that many people. I like having control over my own routine. I don't want to be in calls all day. I don't want to be talking to everyone all the time. I don't want to be draining my social battery. I want to be sat in front of my PC, listening to my 19th century villain playlist, and I want to be creating dope shit, and I want to be getting paid for it well. So if you're watching this and this resonates with you, you want to have an awesome self-improvement transformation as well. You might feel like you have a bit of a creative soul. You like creating shit. But not only that, you want to actually get paid for doing that. And you want to live the lifestyle of financial, time, and location freedom. You want to move out to places like Thailand, Koh Samui, Vietnam, Bali, and you want to be able to do that while comfortably knowing that no matter where you go and no matter what happens, you can open your laptop and you will know exactly how to spawn money into your bank account. Video editing is for you, my friend, and I strongly advise you to consider it. Even if you're in full-time work, you set aside 1 to 2 hours a day to learning how to video edit, getting clients. You can literally add an extra 2 to 3K to your pay slip, and that is like a lot of money. That will give you such a better quality of life. But not only that, it's fucking fun.
This is my job. I get paid to depict people as Wojaks. I love it, man.
You get to work with awesome clients who love what you do, your work, they value you, and you get fucking paid. It's literally 10 out of 10. It's never been easier to start video editing. My Academy of Excellence will take you from a total beginner to a Chad godlike video editor. Not only do I teach you how to video edit and how to do all of the advanced animations and everything you could possibly need to know, but I'll also show you how to get paid as a video editor, which is a separate skill. Right now, if you click the first link in the description, you can join over 600 of my students well on their pathways to financial, location, and time freedom. You'll gain access to the best video editing network on the entire internet, where myself and all of my students are active every single day, passing off knowledge, client work, constructive criticism, resources, all sorts is going on inside of my academy. If you're serious about making money online through video editing, you would be a fool not to join. It's never been easier. I have a brand new payment plan available right now. You can start today. Click the first link in the description right now. Take care, boys.